Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make your own sweet and spicy chili sauce. Now I know it can be so much easier to just buy one from the supermarket and call it a day, but the reason to make your own is that you'll get full control over how sweet or how spicy you want to make it. And after you watch this video, you'll realize it's very simple to make and doesn't require a lot of work or ingredients. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video and description box as well. In a food processor, I'm going to drop in my chopped lemongrass. These are completely optional, but I had a lot of lemongrass left over and I absolutely love them. Then I'm adding 5 cloves of garlic and putting in a big piece of galangal and a tiny disc of ginger. You can skip the galangal and just put in a big piece of ginger instead. And then I'm adding 4 pieces of red Thai chilies that are also known as red bird's eye chilies, and we'll blend them really well. I'm going to scrape down the sides of the processor, add in some water, and then blend again to get a finer paste. Then I'm going to start by putting in my red dried chilies that I rehydrated by soaking them in hot water for about 20 minutes, and we're going to blend again. After that, I'll transfer the paste to a pan and add in another cup or half cup of water and put it on my stove on medium-high heat. Stir the paste for 2 to 5 minutes just to get it hot. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon and a half of tamarind paste to add in some nice sourness to your sauce. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you want. I just like the molasses flavors in the dark brown more, and I wanted my paste to get a nice dark coloring as well. Don't forget to add in a pinch or 2 of salt, because salt always has the capability of bringing out the sweetness of the sugar more. Add in a bit more water, and now let heat do its magic. As the sugar caramelizes and the water evaporates, the sauce will start to thicken, but because this paste was too thick and too spicy due to all those chilies that I added, I'm going to be adding in more and more water along the way, which means I am later going to add in more sugar as well to keep that balance of sweet and spicy. Please remember to keep tasting as you go, so you can be in full control of how you want this to turn out. As you can see, I also add in some more tamarind paste and sugar at the end with a bit more water to dilute the spiciness. Then I let it cook down until I start to see the sauce thickening. When you start to see streaks in your pan after you mix with the spatula, that is when you'll know it's ready and the sauce has thickened. Remove from the stove and let the pan cool down before you transfer the sauce into a glass container, and then let it cool down some more before popping it into the fridge. You can use this as a dip for your spring rolls, samosas, or even use it for making sweet and spicy shrimp and chicken, and it goes really nice in a vegetable stir fry as well. So, it wasn't that hard, was it? I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!